OpenAI just made ChatGPT feel less like a chatbot and more like a personal assistant that actually gets things done. You can now use real apps inside ChatGPT, Canva, Gmail, Spotify, all without leaving the chat. And for small business owners or creators like me, there's AgentKit, a tool that builds workflows to automate those repetitive, everyday tasks. I'll show you how it can make your day smoother, help you save time, and maybe even rescue your inbox. But first, let's log into your ChatGPT account. Head over to Setting in the lower left corner, select Apps and Connector, then select the app and click Connect. Let's start with something everyone can relate to, event planning. My bowling group texted me, "Hey Carolyn, can you make a flyer for our Halloween night?" So instead of juggling Canva, Google Drive, and group chat chaos, I told ChatGPT, use a Canva to create a fun Halloween bowling flyer, spooky but still family friendly. Seconds later, I had 4 cute designs to pick from. Glowing pins, pumpkins, the works. I added, make it printable and include our address. Done. No file exports, no resizing drama, just prompt, tweak, print, and roll. Imagine what this means for you. Birthday parties, fundraisers, neighborhood meetups. This will save you time and have you doing the happy dance. Now, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to ChatGPT so you can manage your emails, write replies, and stay organized all in one place. You're basically turning ChatGPT into your personal email assistant. It'll check Gmail for you automatically and summarize what's new. Let's get started. Log in to ChatGPT at chat.openai.com and click on your profile icon in the lower left corner. Then, go to Settings. Next, select either Connected Apps or Integrations, depending on your version. You'll see Gmail right there in the list. Easy, right? Now click on Gmail, sign in with your Google account, and approve the permissions. That gives ChatGPT access to your inbox, just enough to help you, not to spam you. Once connected, you'll see a message saying, Gmail connected successfully. From here, you can do some really cool things. You can say, search my Gmail for unread messages from any of your contacts. ChatGPT will then create an automation for you behind the scenes using its internal automations tool. You can customize what it checks. Here are some automation prompt templates you can use right now. Create an automation titled Morning Gmail Summary that runs every weekday at 9 a.m. The automation should search Gmail for all unread emails from the last 24 hours and summarize senders, subjects, and key points. You'll get a message like, got it. I'll summarize your new Gmail messages every morning at 9 a.m. Start small, something that saves 5 minutes every day. Maybe you want a daily to-do list emailed to yourself, or you want a quick grocery reminder that pings your phone every Friday. Or draft a thank you email and ChatGPT will generate polished, professional emails instantly. You must enter manually into Gmail. Later, you can level this up with an automation to add @sheets to automatically log email data into a spreadsheet, or add @docs to store summaries in a daily or weekly Google Doc journal. Even automate an add at calendar to create reminders for deadlines found in emails. Email notification when the automation runs. ChatGPT will send you a message with your summary. Click the link and it will take you back to ChatGPT to read your summary. Each entry will look something like this. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, Notifications, Manage Tasks, and you'll see a list of all your scheduled tasks. Select your automation and click the pencil icon. You can pause, edit timing, or delete any automation easily. When it comes to security, there are 4 layers of security and privacy protection you can and should put in place when connecting Gmail to ChatGPT or any similar automation. 1. Google-level protections. Gmail access through ChatGPT uses OAuth 2.0, the same secure standard that apps like Zoom or Canva use to connect to your Google account. What this means: you never share your password with ChatGPT. Access is granted via a secure Google pop-up window. You can revoke it anytime at myaccount.google.com/permissions. Permissions are read-only, so ChatGPT can't send, delete, or modify your emails. Tip: always verify you see OpenAI.com as the app requesting access when connecting. ChatGPT app privacy controls. Inside ChatGPT, go to Settings, Data Controls, then disable training on your data if you don't want your automations or chat content used to improve models. Enable auto-delete chat history if you want messages deleted after a set period, for example 30 days. Disable disconnect Gmail anytime under Settings, Connected Apps. Tip: OpenAI's ChatGPT apps like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive operate in a sandboxed environment, meaning data from one integration isn't automatically visible to others. 3. Automation safety. For your Gmail automation that summarizes messages, write runs inside ChatGPT, not externally on your computer. Mulleries are stored in your ChatGPT chat history and can be deleted anytime. Does not download or store attachments, only references them by name. Might only pulls metadata, sender, subject, and text message for summarization. Tip: avoid running automations that extract financial or sensitive data, like client SSNs, invoices, or personal medical info. You can filter those by saying, exclude messages with financial or medical info. I've added a link in the description to my free PDF for Layer 4s called Extra Privacy Measures You Can Add. So there you have it, your Gmail and ChatGPT working together to save time and boost productivity. I'm Carolyn's avatar from Kynese Designs, reminding you that smart tools make creative work even smarter.